Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MOBL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I like to this time frame that does a good job, especially in this situation, of really illustrating just how crazy today was when you look at just essentially the price going for the most part straight up, and then you look at the volume down here well above average volume on the day. So lots of eyeballs on it. So first level of support to watch going into next week is what I would call the ideal level. When we say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up there above $6.30. Now don't get me wrong, if the price falls below $6.30, I'm not saying that the price is totally ruined or anything like that. Or excuse me, I'm not saying that the chart is ruined or anything. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from more so the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 630 would be great, but from the grand scheme of things, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? Nothing fancy or complicated behind this other than the fact that the party finally stopped today up there at $6.50, let's just call it $6.60. So $6.60 will be public enemy number one going into Monday. All in all, though, what really matters most is not necessarily breaking levels of resistance, but more so just going through healthy consolidations and chipping away and building higher bases. Because as long as higher bases are being built over time, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking areas of resistance. So nice movement today. We'll see how this one closes, or we'll see how this one plays out next week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.